Chad Evans. Certified by the National Weather Association. Weather from where you live.
Well, it was 87 yesterday and 89 today. Just shy of 90. At least 1 degree shy of 90, but that is not going to last. Another heat wave will ensue starting tomorrow and really intensify as we get into this week. But it's pretty nice this evening, a little warm, a little humid. We've got some scattered storms down here in Missouri, eastern Kansas, and some up here in the Dakotas. That is the front that kind of slid through yesterday, and it's popping a few more storms to the west. Now, what it will do is lift back to the northeast, and it will pull the heat wave, which has really been crunched here to Texas. It will allow it to be pulled northeastward and bring 95 to 100 to the viewing area once again by later on this week. For the evening, 89 at 7, we're talking 82 degrees by 9 and 74 at 11. A little bit on the humid side, and with the winds really calming down, it will be a little stuffy as well. And overnight, patchy, dense fog is possible in some places. But the main weather story is another round of heat. Temperatures 95 to 100 by later on in the week. The heat index to 115, but at least a few widely scattered storms in the forecast. Not only a couple late tomorrow evening, tomorrow night, early Wednesday morning, but also late in the weekend. There are your lows tonight, and this is the coolest night of the week. Lows mid to upper 60s, 65 Rochester, Winamac, 66 in the Lafayette area down towards Frankfort, Fowler 66, Otterburn and Pine Village also 66 degrees. Tomorrow, again, temperatures right around 90, if you will. Partly cloudy skies, a few widely scattered storms late in the day. 88 Winamac for the high, 88 Rochester, 90 Lafayette, and 91 at Frankfort, but the heat will start to move back north. We could have an early morning thunderstorm on Wednesday, but the warm front will work back north, and here comes the old heat wave ejecting out of Texas here. So 93 Lafayette and Frankfort, 92 Monticello, and about 91 up to the north in Pulaski County at Medaryville. So let's track the heat wave number 2 headed for the area. There's the 90 tomorrow. Late evening, a couple scattered storms with the warm front, a couple scattered storms tomorrow night, Wednesday morning. 93, mostly sunny most of Wednesday. Thursday through Saturday, 97 for the high, mostly sunny, but a little front right here will slowly wiggle southward, so that could bring maybe 3 days of at least widely scattered storms before it cools down just a little bit. We're talking upper 80s by next Wednesday. 7-day forecast, 90 tomorrow, there's your 93 Wednesday. Some 97s thrown into the mix there by later on in the week, and then 95 by early next week. And in terms of a widespread soaking rainfall and much cooler weather, no hint of that in the forecast at all, though it will cool down a little bit later next week, highs 88 rather than 97.
So if you don't love the heat, get through this week, and hopefully next week a little bit of a cool down.
A little bit better.
A little bit.
All right. Could be some fog in the morning again.
Yeah,
right?
patchy dense fog, be aware of that.
Yeah, all right. Thanks, Chip. More on the NFL situation.